In this video I'm going to show you how you can get help on a script function. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the script editor. I'm going to open up one of the sample scripts. Now there's lots of different ways that you can get help on a script command. For example, if we take this message modal function here, I'm just going to put the cursor on the line, and the first thing you can see is down here we've got a little bit of information. It tells us what the format of this function is. Let's go to another one that's got a few more parameters. You can see that it shows us what parameters are required, and when we're on a parameter it highlights the one we want and tells us what it is, and so on. Note this button over here. This is a button that will take you to the topic in the command reference for that function. We'll just click it. Another way of doing that is just with the cursor on a line. If we just hit the F1 key, exactly the same thing. Or help and context sensitive. Note bracket F1, because F1 is the key that gets us there. Equally, if something is highlighted, F1 will give us the help for that. If you are editing a function within a code builder, you've also got a button for that code builder for that function here. Exactly the same thing, goes through to the same place. So let's say you're inserting a new function using the code builder and you're not sure what these mean, you can hit the button command reference and it goes to the topic for that function. Finally, if you just want to see the entire command reference, you can say help command reference and you go to the full script reference. You've got all the functions listed in order, all the categories rather, and if we click on one we go through to the category and we see a list of functions and we can click on that one. So if you just want to browse the reference or search for it, search through, you can search the command reference. So help command reference. So basically F1 if you want help for a function, alternatively press the button down here, alternatively this option, or from within the code builder itself. So there's 4 different ways you can get context sensitive help. The easiest way by far is just with the cursor on any line, press F1 and you get help for the function that the line relates to. It's as simple as that.